So I just got this new security camera. This is something that you can use indoor or outdoor. I'm going to be using it on our covered patio just to take a view of our back door, making sure that it stays safe. We know when anyone's coming in and out, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the setup for this. It uses an app called Cloud Edge, and it's a pretty simple setup. So I'm going to give you a close-up view, show you the setup of this, and then I'm going to go ahead and mount it. The other thing that I really liked that it came with is this little mounting sticker. So you're going to be able to put this sticker on the wall and then use it to put in all of your screws where they're supposed to go, and it's going to match up perfectly with your device itself. So that's going to make mounting so much easier. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set it up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my new device to my setup. So it's going to be super easy and it's going to prompt me for all of my instructions.
Please power on the device.
So my device is already powered on.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, so we are ready to move on.
Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2-point.
Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and scan our QR code. Okay, so as you can see here, our camera was successfully added.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press.
So as you can see here, the camera is working, and now I can go ahead and mount it. Alright, so I went ahead and mounted my camera up on my back patio, as you can see here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the app and we'll be able to see how good it looks with the imaging and how easy it is to see. So it's super easy to mount, it was really easy to set up, so I'm super excited to have this. Alright, so I went ahead and I set up my camera. As you can see here, this is the view of the camera from the backyard. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple different features that it has. So one thing that's really cool, if I want to look side to side, I can just swipe on the screen and it's going to move my camera. So now I can swipe the other way, and it's a 360 view, so depending on where you mount it, you're going to be able to get a view of the whole space. So we have a lot of stuff going on in our back patio and our backyard, so it's nice to be able to move that view and stop it wherever we'd like. So it's a really great setup. We also have some other functions here. As you can see, you are able to use it as an intercom. You can record video, take a screenshot, switch it to motion detection, whatever it might be. So a really great camera, really great security, and nice to be able to have to set up anywhere in your home.